Okay. Hello guys. Good afternoon everyone. Today's our session topic is Bootstrap 5 Alpha version. Mm, means okay. First of all, what is the Bootstrap? Okay. So what is the Bootstrap? Bootstrap is a front end framework language. It is easier to develop the web pages or it is very simple way to develop the web pages. So uh, मीन्स बूटस्ट्रैप 5 में क्या होता है कि जो हम सिंपल HTML का फॉर्म जो लिखते हैं उसमें हम CSS ऐड करते हैं. CSS क्यों ऐड करते हैं? क्योंकि हमको एक स्पेसिफिक कंटेंट एक स्पेसिफिक जगह पे प्लेस करना पड़ता है. तो इसमें हम ज़्यादातर CSS उसको ऐड करते हैं. देन तो CSS होता है तो हमें बूटस्ट्रैप क्यों चाहिए? तो उसके एक पीछे की रीज़न क्योंकि बूटस्ट्रैप इट इज़ अ इनबिल्ट CSS means Bootstrap includes the JavaScript and CSS include this CSS, so it will be reduce the our efforts. So and that is why we Bootstrap is the most popular framework, front end framework. Okay. Uh, okay, and in next then what is the Bootstrap 5? So before we start with the Bootstrap 5, there are two versions is now available in market. So this is Bootstrap 3 and Bootstrap 4, and this is a fifth version. It is not a version, it is an alpha version. What total means Bootstrap beta will be coming soon. Okay. So what is the difference between the Bootstrap 5 and Bootstrap 4? It is the main question. So in Bootstrap 4 there are various jQueries we are include, but in Bootstrap 5 so we are totally remove those jQueries. So if we remove the jQuery, so what we insert the in jQuery? So there is a vanilla JavaScript. So what is the vanilla JavaScript? There is a notation about the vanilla JavaScript. Vanilla JavaScript is a JavaScript language, so only the name is changed, just like normal JavaScript we use. So same language there, only name is given just like as a vanilla JavaScript. So next point is enhanced grade system. I will tell you later. So how to the means improve the grade system in Bootstrap 5. Okay, and next is improvise improve the customized document. And next point is there are lots of SVG icons add in Bootstrap 5, and 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 there are add another the CSS property. Just I will explain later. And responsiveness the of the Bootstrap 5 very is very accurate. And but nowadays means Bootstrap 5 is not the stable, so that's why they are released the alpha version. So in next few days they will be release the beta version. It is totally responsive and stable. Nowadays it is not a Bootstrap 5 is not a stable, so it is the alpha version. So okay. So and next point is okay, and Bootstrap for 4 is support all browsers, just like as a Internet Explorer and Firefox, Chrome, and whatever like that. But in Bootstrap 5 Bootstrap 5 is supported only the means Firefox, Safari, Opera, Google Chrome, but it is not support only one browser. This browser is Internet Explorer and Internet Explorer 10, Internet Explorer 11. They will be totally removed the Bootstrap 5 in Internet Explorer. Okay. So then the what is the use of the Bootstrap? So means it will be increase the speed of the development. Just like as some is the some person is a web developer, so they are creating a website. So they continuously use this same CSS and same JavaScript code. So like that, they decrease their speed. So if you want to increase our speed, so that's why the Bootstrap is come in front of. So it will be increase the speed of the framework. And second thing is totally assurance that it is responsible. Whatever you are doing in whatever you want to create your page, so uh, it is totally responsive. It is a benefits of the Bootstrap. And second and third thing is it will the prevention. It is a prevent the repetition of the project. I mean, just like a uh, uh, just consider, I will give one example. So in one example, just consider there are two projects. So two are projects, some properties of the two projects are similar. So if we cannot use the Bootstrap, so then we create same property in again and again. So what does what Bootstrap is does, then it will be prevent the repetition. If there is the repetition is found, so Bootstrap it will be used there, and it will be prevent the repetition in project, and it is customizable. Okay, and next slide is okay. And uh, in nowadays, how to install the Bootstrap 5 Alpha. So I will give the example how to install the uh, Bootstrap 5 Alpha. So first of all, go to the Google Explorer, Google Chrome. Okay, hello. Then type type here Bootstrap 5 and click here. Then it is this side is wrong, sorry. Bootstrap 5 Alpha. Okay, this is the Bootstrap 5 icon, and here is the zip file is present. Download it. Here is the zip file is download. The next step is unzip this zip file. Okay, then extract to here. It will be unzip all folder. Then then open it and see, and press the button on index page. So here this is the process to how to install the Bootstrap 5. So this is okay. So okay, so I will I was tell the process the how to install the Bootstrap 5. And next, and talking about the Bootstrap 5, Bootstrap 5 is totally similar to the Bootstrap 4. So all the grade system, whatever it is totally same. Only only 20 or 30% is changes in Bootstrap 5. Okay, they are added different types of icon, they are added the different types of classes, they are enhanced the grade system, such like that. So this is the simple example of the Bootstrap 5 page. So in this whatever we do, so we create one container. In container, we have give the one heading, just my first Bootstrap page, and just and give some paragraph. So this is the simple example of the how to create the Bootstrap page. Okay, and this is the grade system in. So grade system of the Bootstrap 5 is totally similar to the Bootstrap 4. There is no worry about the means new version is launched, so there is a changes in grade system. There is not changes in grade system, but they enhance the grade system. So I am just quickly review the what is the grade system in Bootstrap. So Bootstrap contain the 12 columns. So and you can divide the container in a row in a column with a space of multiple of 12 12. Okay. Okay, so I will give just example how the grade system is divided. So he grade is grade is consisting of 12. So this 12 is divided into three parts. So 4 4 4. So I am giving the example class called SM4. Call SM means SM is used for the small scale, just like as a mobile. So that's why this column used for the uh, mobile, and it divided into three parts. So how to divide it? So they will divide into means 12 divide into three parts, so it will divide into 4 4 4. Okay, this is the grade system. Here is the means how is the here is the how the means grade system look in small screen and the big screen. So uh, this is the example of the mobile, and this is the example of the laptop and desktop. Okay. Okay, and this is the new class in the Bootstrap 5. This is the direction of flex. Means in this class means this is the class name flex.row, and flex.row row reverse. So uh, in this class means we can also give the class in uh, left to right and right to left, just like and why just like I will give just example. Okay. Okay, here is the example of the means the means what I am done in this class means I divided the grade into the 12 parts. So here is the code. So uh, so first of all I divide the uh, 12 parts 12 parts. If मीन्स ये इसकी ग्रेड 12 ग्रेड है, तो इसमें मैंने 12 पार्ट में इसको डिवाइड किया कि जैसे जैसे मैं ये क्लास ऐड करता जाता हूँ तो वो उधर भी ऐड हो जाता है. एंड सेम हम ऐसा रिवर्स में भी कर सकते हैं. और ये फीचर्स बूटस्ट्रैप 4 में नहीं था, तो इन्होंने एक क्लास ऐड कर दिया है इधर। और ये अभी उन्होंने ये रिवर्स डायरेक्शन में किया है। One class goes in left to right and another class goes in right to left, and this is the use of the direction flex. And next is direction flex. It is a column, it means it is totally acquire the row size. This is the class use, so I will just give the example. इधर मीन्स हमने क्या किया कि पहले ये तीन कॉलम ऐड किए और उसको हमने रिवर्स डायरेक्शन में किया, just like as flex item 1, flex item 2, flex item 3. It is in a ascending order and it is in a descending order. Okay. And next concept is used in flag. So what is the flag? It is flag means it is like it is a country flag. So it is a new class in added in Bootstrap. So so I will give just example. So here is the class. Okay, this class is used for the denoting this specific country flag. So first of all, look the example. Okay, here you see that it is flag of the Argentina, it is flag of the Indonesia, and it is flag of the USA. तो मुझे क्या करना है अभी, इंडिया का इधर फ्लैग ऐड करने का है, तो मैं इधर इसका क्लास चेंज करता हूँ और इंडिया ऐड करता हूँ and see that automatically it will be appear. Okay, so different types of classes that are the added in the Bootstrap 5. Okay, this is the one example. In Bootstrap 4 there is no any animation is present. So in Bootstrap 5 they are added the animation. So I am giving just basic example the which types of animation they are added in Bootstrap 5. Okay, this is the basic example of animation. Here you see that the means the vehicle is moving, and I will give another example. in this example, what is happened? In this example, what is happened is if the vehicle is continuously is moving, just like ads. Okay, and also is the last example is present. Okay, if we press the button, then it will be vehicle is moved. Okay, just like else. And here is the also the hover effect given in the Bootstrap 5. If we press the button, then hover is come. Look at the. And also last example is same example is there, means if we press the button, then vehicle is, will be moved. Okay, that is means there are some remaining classes are there, so I will be tell him in next session. Hello, Abhishek. Hello.
Hello.
Yes, yes,
Hello.
yes. Stop
Anyone have
recording.
a question?
Hello.
Hello. Anyone has any
ये
question?
पब्लिकली अवेलेबल है ना?
हाँ हाँ, मीन्स
ओके
अल्फा
ओके.
वर्जन अवेलेबल है मीन्स.
नहीं मतलब सीडीएन अवेलेबल है, फिर मतलब पैकेज
नहीं
भी
नहीं
डाउनलोड
नहीं
कर
नहीं
सकते हैं.
नहीं नहीं, CDN विल बी कमिंग सून. ओके, CDN
ओके ओके
अभी तो अवेलेबल नहीं, अल्फा बीटा में है, वो अवेलेबल हो जाएगी.
ओके.
Okay, anyone has any question?
नो नो.
No.
Thank you.
No. Okay.